This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 55 of building Marvel's Infinity Gauntlet. This is coming to the end of the middle finger, I believe, although it feels like there's more to go. So I don't think we're actually going to be close to finishing it even next time. But we'll flick through here anyway, looking at the new Adam Warlock. I think we've seen him in the films. I think he was in the latest Guardians film. There we go. Quite a powerful character. He is too. Let's have a look. So the build today, we are going back to the joiny piece and connecting up the first part of that. And then obviously next time we get to join up the big bit and the little bit, and there's obviously still going to be decorative stuff to do on the end by the looks of it. The Thing, I'm aware of him. I don't know Gladiator though, but he's obviously stronger than the Thing. And the other Fantastic Four members by the looks of it as well. I'm sure they win in the end. Grant from Another World, like Safety Conscious, glowing in the dark, X-Men. There we go. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's get this finger attached. Well, I say attached, we're not actually attaching it to the main finger yet. We're not even using that bit yet, but we are going to be using those two. This is what we got today, which is basically the next piece down here, which we're not using yet either. We've got a couple of different screws to use. So let's get a couple of those out. 3 of those out. I'll put one safe over there. So first of all, this is attaching into here like that, but on either side of that we need a washer. Now these are the ones that I remember from last time being a bit of a pain. They don't quite, we can't put both in. Yeah, put both in. If I hold it level, they go in there and then that goes in between them. Is that working? Seems to be working. So that's gone in there. And then obviously we're going to be attaching to the outside of that. But this goes on the top to hold it in place now. Like that. And that's where these 2 screws come in. They go in there. And on the other side, let's get that in there. I'll be able to use the big screwdriver because it's going into a fairly deep hole. There, that should be in there. No, it's not. It's escaped out the side there. Didn't feel like that was going into a screw hole. Try that again. That feels better. Although I'm going to need to work at getting these tightened in. This screwdriver is not the best at these big screws. I need a slightly bigger head than the one I've got on there. But that's that for now. There we go. So that is going to be attached down there at some point. It's got to be the outside bit because that's going to be the next bit there. And that's going to be there. And that's going to be on the outside there. So yes, a little bit more to go. But for now, that is what we have. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.